Welcome back, you motherfuckers. It is time, once again, for How to Draw with Nico Boy. Today, we will be drawing everybody's favorite cartoon underwater sponge, Spongebob Squarepants. So, let's get right into it. Now, this drawing is going to be way more detailed than that silly little Pikachu, so this may take a little bit more time. First, I'm going to grab a dark yellow for the outline of his body. Now, his body is made up of sponge and sponge, so we're gonna go with a yellow and we're gonna draw the outline of the sponge. And now we can't forget SpongeBob's patented holes. Yes. There are about, I want to say, 7 of them or so. I don't know, but either way, we'll give him all the holes he needs. Now, let's see what else needs to be done. We have the outline and the detailed holes in a darker yellow. Now, here's one eye, and boom, another eye. Loves circles, doesn't the SpongeBob boy? Now, drawing his pupils right there, and an eyelash. Boom. A set of eyelashes there. He only has 3 beautiful black and thick eyelashes. Now his actual eye color, it's a nice blue. Circle around. Perfect. Circle around. Dang. Nickelodeon, you better be hiring me after this. Or, you could just take notes. So we're gonna go down here now, and we're gonna give him that big, famous SpongeBob smile. Grinning from... he doesn't have ears. Grinning from side of his face to side of his face. And you know what this is. Boom, and then a boom right there. The beautiful toothes that SpongeBob is known for. Now let's give him a little bit of that blush right on his cheek. He kind of has a little, curve with 3 dots there. And now we gotta go to the other side, obviously. And we're gonna give him 3 more dots. He's looking so happy, so friendly, ready to go catch some jellyfish, you know it. Now, one thing we're missing on the facial area is that big, long, beautiful nose. Perfect. It may be a different shade of yellow, but that's the point. The outline's supposed to be a little darker, you idiot. So now, speaking of outline, we gotta get that boy some drip. And you know SpongeBob's patented wear, that nice suit and tie, and he doesn't wear a suit. Scratch that. Alright, we're going down here. Boom! We forgot to fill him in, and now we've done it. So the sponge is complete. So now we just need to give him clothes, that way he's not naked. Now, he has a tie kind of fold thing, I don't know, but we're going to outline that. That way we can fill it in with red instead of just scribbling all the red in there. And this is how you draw a perfect tie, just FYI. And going down, making a nice tie shape, going back up. Perfect. Looking dapper as heck. So now we gotta add some more room because we've gone out of the shirt. So we need to make it to where the pants will fit in just nice and fit right at home. So let's finish off that tie now, shall we? A nice shade of red filling in the spots. Boom. So we've got the body, the face, and the tie, and the shirt. Now we just need to get them brown, luscious pants with that black lines that I'm assuming resembles a belt. I don't know. I think it's good enough. So there we go. Nice 4 solid lines there. Nice little belt for Sponge Boy. And now we're going to, since we don't have much room, we're just going to draw his little pants cuffs. No legs. He's legless. That's fine. No shame in that at all. And now we're missing one more thing. And that would be his arms. So let's get started. Here's the sleeve. We're gonna make them little stubs for now because I mean, hey, as long as you have a place for the arms to come from, it really doesn't matter how they look. So, we gotta go and get a nice yellow, probably about the same as the rest of him, that would make sense. And let's stretch them arms out. Now, he only has 4 fingers, but that's okay, I'm not gonna judge. He has a thumb, 1 finger, 2 finger, and 3 finger, and bring it around back to town. That's 1 arm. And now, there's not much room over here, but hey, he can have a short arm, you know? Maybe it's like, you know, field of view kind of thing. It looks smaller from this way. Maybe he's stretching it back. But either way, that's gonna do it for SpongeBob. But don't forget, you thought it was over, but we can't forget his good old pal, Gary. We got this pink circle for the shell. We have his eyes stretching out. Gotta add the big old bulging eyeballs. You know, actual eyes now. Look at him. Look how happy he is. And now we see the comparison. I can't even tell which one is which. Can you? Of course not. They're identical. Well, ladies and gentlemen, thank you for watching this How to Draw with Nico Boy. I've been your host, Nico Boy. And remember, don't shit on the bus. Yes.